Change your life with low-budget business ideas. Starting a business doesn't always require a hefty investment. With a bit of creativity and dedication, you can launch a successful venture on a shoestring budget. Let's explore 5 top low-budget business ideas. First, consider starting an online tutoring service. If you have expertise in a particular subject, you can offer virtual lessons to students around the world. All you need is a computer and a good internet connection. Second, think about launching a dropshipping business. This model eliminates inventory costs since you only purchase products after making a sale. Partner with suppliers and curate an online store with minimal upfront expenses. Third, content writing or blogging can also be incredibly profitable. Start by offering your writing services to businesses or creating your blog. With engaging content and proper marketing, you can earn through ads, sponsored posts, and affiliate marketing. Fourth, content creation, YouTube/podcasting. Share your insights, stories, or expertise through YouTube videos or podcasts. With consistent quality content, you can grow an audience and monetize through ads, sponsorships, and merchandise. Finally, consider a home-based baking business. If you love baking, you can sell homemade goods to local customers. Social media and word of mouth can help you build a loyal client base without huge marketing costs. Each of these business ideas allows you to start small and grow gradually. They require minimal initial investment, but can be scaled up as you gain more clients and revenue. Remember, the key to success in any business is dedication and consistency. Start with a clear plan, stay committed to your goals, and be open to learning and adapting. Utilize free or low-cost marketing channels like social media to spread the word about your business. Engage with your audience and create a strong online presence to attract more customers. Networking can also play a crucial role in your business growth. Attend local events, join online forums, and connect with other entrepreneurs to gain insights and opportunities. Don't hesitate to seek feedback from your customers. Positive reviews and constructive criticism can help you refine your offerings and provide better services or products. Manage your finances carefully to ensure you're not overspending. Keep track of your expenses and look for ways to cut costs without compromising quality. Leverage the power of technology and automation tools to streamline your business processes. This can save you time and money, allowing you to focus on growth and customer satisfaction. Lastly, always stay informed about industry trends and market demands. Continuous learning and adaptability will keep your business relevant and competitive. So if you're ready to take the plunge into entrepreneurship, these 5 low-budget business ideas offer a great starting point. With passion, effort, and smart planning, your small investment can turn into a thriving business. If this video is useful for you, then please like, share, and subscribe.